Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. It's so beautiful and snowing today. It's perfect time to make some spaghetti. Let's get some cooking done. Here are the ingredients I used. Wait until the butter melts, but I am here in a hurry, so I added the garlic in. Saute. Add in the onions. Add in the dry ingredients when the onion softens a little. Strain the spaghetti. I melted some butter in the same pot. Put the garlic in and also a little bit of salt. Adding the veggies, you can use any vegetable of your choice. Here I am using frozen vegetables, mixed frozen vegetables. Put the lid on and keep it to be cooked. When the garlic turns golden brown, add in the spaghetti. Mix it. Add in a cup of milk and mix it well. And let it cook for about 3 minutes. The vegetables are cooked good, so add in the tuna. I added 2 tin tuna. Mix it well. Add in the pasta sauce. Cook for a few minutes. I put for the tea and then added some cheese. I used some mozzarella cheddar cheese. Let the cheese melt. And here you go. The sauce is ready for the spaghetti.
Today, guys, I'm going to be reviewing my mama's spaghetti. Tastes good. It's so good. I love it.